Ever had that heart-stopping moment when you realize you accidentally filled your gas car with diesel? Maybe you grabbed the wrong pump, or just weren't paying attention. Don't panic, but whatever you do, don't start the car. Stick with me, and I'll walk you through exactly what you need to do. First things first, diesel and gasoline are completely different fuels. Gasoline ignites with a spark, while diesel uses compression. So if you've put diesel in your gas car, it's a problem. Diesel's thicker, oilier, and can clog up your fuel system, things like your fuel injectors, pump, and even your fuel filter. And if you start the car? Well, that's when the real damage begins. Here's the good news. If you haven't started the engine, you are in luck. Follow these simple steps. Step 1. Don't start the car. Turning that key just pushes the diesel into the engine, and that's when the damage starts. Step 2. Call a tow truck. Have your car towed straight to the mechanic. They'll drain the tank, flush the system, and make sure your car is good as new. Step 3. Be honest with the mechanic. Tell them exactly what happened. The more they know, the better they can fix it. Once at the shop, the mechanic will clean out the fuel lines, injectors, and fuel pump, and replace the fuel filter to keep things running smoothly. It'll cost you a bit, but it's better than letting the problem get worse. Now, if you've already started the car, well, things can get a little more expensive. Diesel can damage the fuel pump, lines, and even the catalytic converter. You'll likely need some parts replaced to keep your car running safely. To avoid this in the future, always double-check the pump before you fill up. Diesel nozzles are bigger and usually won't fit in a gas car, but accidents happen. So, stay cautious. Remember, putting diesel in your gas car isn't the end of the world, but it's definitely something you want to handle quickly. If it happens, don't start the engine, call a tow truck, and let the pros take care of the rest. Have you ever made this mistake? Share your story in the comments below. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell for more tips to keep your car running smoothly. See you next time on Auto Repair.